Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello and welcome. My name is Megan. My dog Mia is here, and today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, is going to be a pack with me vlog for Florida. I am actually going to visit my college bestie Katie's new house in Florida. Her family recently moved out there, and we've been doing the little long distance friendship thing for the past month or two. But I'm just so excited to see her, and I'm actually going down there with Caitlin, who, if you guys have been following me on here for a while, Katie's in like all my videos because we lived together last year. And then Caitlin is in like a vlog from a while ago when we went to Claytor Lake. I'll like link it somewhere. So Caitlin and I are flying together out of DC to go to Sarasota. And then our friend Kirsten, she's been in a few vlogs actually, just very quick features. She is already in Sarasota with Katie. So we're all super excited. It's gonna be like an amazing, fun girls trip energy, which I feel like I really need right now. I feel like I haven't had bestie time in such a long time because where I am back at home, I just don't have any of my close friends here. So I don't really hang out with anyone during the week. So I'm really excited to like catch up with everybody and just hear how everyone's doing, have some beach time, get tan because I'm like really pale. I know I don't look pale, but I usually get really dark and tan in the summer, but I haven't been spending any time outside, so I'm just paler than I want to be. So I'm really excited to get the Florida heat on me. But yeah, today is Tuesday and our flight is on Thursday morning, so I'm actually gonna pack the majority of my stuff today because tomorrow Caitlin's coming and sleeping over here because she lives in Richmond, so she lives like a few hours away from the airport. She's gonna sleep over, and then my mom's gonna take us to the airport for our flight on Thursday. So I just wanted to have everything packed beforehand, or at least most of my stuff packed beforehand, so I'm not like scrambling around while she's here. Luckily, Katie's gonna provide us with like towels and toiletries and stuff, so we don't really have to pack a ton of stuff because I'm only gonna take 2 carry-ons on the flight. I don't really like to check my luggage if I don't have to, so I don't really know how pack with me videos work. Like, I watch some, but I'm gonna do it my own way. I'm just gonna show you guys and like run through all the different pieces I'm bringing, the different outfits and stuff like that. Hopefully that's entertaining. I don't know. I probably will vlog in Florida. I might just do one big vlog. Okay, hi guys. It's actually 6:30, so I've been super busy. I got to the gym and I promoted the honor launch and I ran some errands, filmed a full lecture for my clients because I had to get all my client stuff situated for next week since I won't be there to do all that over the weekend. And then I showered and I actually put rollers in my hair, and I just feel like this is the way that I want my hair to look all the time, but it requires an hour in rollers to get like this. But I just think it's super cute because I'm going on a picnic-y date later. I wanted to have my hair and everything ready so that I could film this video right now. I'm going the 7th through the 11th, so not that many days or nights to the point where I need that much, but I still decided I'm gonna bring 2 carry-ons. So I'm bringing like a carry-on luggage kind of guy, which this will probably fit everything that I need easily. And then I'm bringing my little Vure. This is the Alana duffel. It's not the Weekender. I use the Weekender for the gym. This is like the middle size, and I just feel like it'll carry everything that I need, readily accessible. So I'll probably put like my toiletries in here in the morning, a little stuffed animal for the plane, maybe like a hoodie for the plane, just quick grab stuff that is easier, all my charging cables. Then I also have these bags, which honestly saved my life when I'm packing. They're from Vure, and they were a part of a set of the Weekender duffel, which I have right there. That duffel's too big to take as a carry-on, but it came with these like little bags that are so nice. I usually put small things in here, like I might put like bikinis in one and like underwear, just littler things that are easier to pack that way. And then I have the bigger ones, which I like to put my outfits and stuff, and it just makes it a lot easier to put into the luggage. I did already do all this yesterday, so this is like everything that I want to bring, but I kind of want to like go through it one more time, make sure that I want to bring it all and make sure that it's all cohesive and like actual outfits, because I like to kind of have an idea of the outfits that I'm going to wear each night. And for the majority of the time, we're just going to be in bathing suits and like going to the beach and stuff, so I'm not super worried about that. But I just am an overpacker and I like to have more than less, so I'm gonna get everything sorted, and then once it's all pretty sorted, I'll walk you guys through my different outfits, where I get some of my bikinis and stuff. Okay, my first course of action is I'm gonna dump everything out and sort it into like what it is. So I'm gonna sort underwear and like bralettes and stuff, some socks, then I'm gonna do bikinis, outfits, all that jazz. So I'll do a little timer speed up of me doing that.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just Just one thing I need from you.
Okay, hopefully you guys can't hear my dog barking super loud, but I just kind of made piles of everything. Here we have basically all of my night outfits. So when we go to like dinners and stuff like that, kind of more my cutesy or like sunset kind of outfits. Then here I just have like all of my beachy shorts, loungy crochet shorts, just anything of that nature. Here are all my tops that I need to sort through, as well as like a beach cover up. And then here's all my bottoms, skirts and whatnot. And then here I just have one cover up and a hoodie. I don't really think it's gonna be cold, but just in case it's cold like in the house. Here are all my bikinis, which I will go through all of this with you guys, don't worry. And then all of my underwear and bralettes. I overpack this stuff because I'd rather have more than less. And then I still need to pack my socks. I totally forgot to add socks. And then those are like my throw on shirts or night like sleeping shirt. Okay, now that I have everything in piles, I am going to pack away all the small things and then start to assemble my outfits and stuff to just make sure that I have everything that I need, or cut down on stuff if I realize I have enough. I think I'm gonna start off with just going through and looking through all of the bottoms and stuff that I'm bringing, and then go from there and do all the matching top options. I'm bringing just a bunch of basic tops. I've been investing in buying so many basics, which I plan to make a video about and just showing you guys my favorite basics that I've been buying lately. This top is the same as this top and it's from Aritzia. I never thought I'd be an Aritzia girl. I definitely don't have an Aritzia wallet, but they had like a sale and my brother's girlfriend was like, you should try these tops because they're double lined and super nice. And I can say the quality, it makes sense. I definitely think I'll get a lot of use out of it. So I'll show you guys my planned outfits once I get it all laid out, and I'll start to pack the littler things in the little Vouray travel pouches.
I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can.
Okay, I took my camera off the tripod so I could show you guys all my bikinis. Obviously this is a ton. Some of these are PR, so I have to take some content photos for them. Others I just feel like are better for like tanning, and I'd rather have more than less. So these are both from Shein, and I can find the links if you guys like are interested in specific ones. This is from Golden Elite Apparel. This is PR. They sent it to me, as well as these two, which are super cute. This top is from Aerie, and I got these matching like crochet bottoms for like a sunset kind of vibe. I would never wear white to the beach, and these just to go underneath. These are from Shein, and these are from Skyward Apparel. I just trust the integrity of these when I'm in the waves, if you know what I mean. And then these are from a girl named Adina Fit on Instagram. She's an Honor affiliate. She's so awesome, and she has her own swim brand, so I wanted to support, and also just thought this was like so cute. So those are all the bikinis that I'm gonna bring, and I'm gonna get into packing those up, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys all of them because I have a feeling people will wonder where they're from. And here's some of my shorts and cover up kind of things. So these, like I said, are from Aerie. These I actually found at H&M, and they're super cute. Like I feel like I could wear them as a beach cover up, but also just out and about. And then these are like a terry cloth bottom from H&M, and then these are from Target, and they're also kind of like that terry cloth material. So those are just for lounging or going to the beach. And then the thing I got from Target a while ago, it's kind of like a onesie vibe, but I feel like it would be really easy to throw over like bikinis. And then this is just one of those shirts that I feel like is easy to throw over anything if it's like a little chilly. And then I have this bodysuit from Aritzia that looks super cute underneath of this. It's like a yoke skirt, or even this would be kind of cute, but it's from American Eagle, surprisingly, super slay. I just have a few pairs of jean shorts. These I recently thrifted and just cut into shorts. These I also thrifted a while ago and cut into shorts. They're Guess. These, if I wear them, I'll just wear them with like a baby tee or even like a bikini top. Lastly, I'm just bringing these 3 dresses. Not sure if I'll need or wear them. I definitely want to wear this one because I like love it, but this is just like a bodycon like longer dress. This one is a Skims dupe. It's so cute and pretty. I think I showed it in my last vlog as well. This I showed in a very long time ago vlog, and I was gonna wear it for I think my birthday or something, and then I got something else, so I'm gonna bring it to the beach and see if I wear it. I don't know if I will. So now I'm gonna just start putting everything in these bags and then in my suitcase, and then I just made a TikTok of everything I'm bringing too, which took forever. But yeah, that's basically all that I'm bringing, and then I'm just bringing I think a hoodie and some PJ bottoms and a few just junky shirts for going back and forth or sleeping. So yeah, I think that's basically everything. And then tomorrow I just need to pack like my carry-on bag with little things, which I will film, and then figure out which shoes that I want to bring as well. These are so handy because I have so much in here. I think this has all my bikinis and half of my outfits, and it just fits really nicely in here. I'm gonna put it down at the bottom, and then I think I'm gonna put like all of my bottom like chunkier bottoms in here as well, and then like really stuff it full. And then I forgot that my suitcase has this, so I'm actually going to change and put my underwear and stuff in here to make it easier to store.
Take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? 'Cause girl, I never.
I'm sweating. Okay. In my defense, this was already broken. It's okay. I'm just gonna carry it like this, but she's all packed and looking great. I just have this little bag, which I'll put in my little Vouvray like carry-on. But yeah, that was very successful, and I will check back in tomorrow packing the rest of my stuff. Okay, I'm basically all packed up. I got my carry-on situated, and Bonk is the chosen member who gets to come on the trip. It's always so hard deciding who gets to come, but Bonk is honestly like the best headrest, so he gets to go on the plane. And I just packed some Birkenstocks. On the bottom here I have my Vouvray tote that I want to use for like taking stuff to the beach. I have just a t-shirt in here in case I want to like change or get hot on the plane. All of my like makeup and stuff I just like to put in bags. Deodorant, hairbrush, clockwork action. And I'm also going to be reading November 9th by Colleen Hoover. I don't read, but I do think I could get into reading with like these kinds of books, and my friend Mila has been telling me to give it a try. So I'm going to read this on the plane. And in here I just have a little extra clothes, and I need to just put my hydro flask in here. I have like all my charging cables, and then these are my last minute charging cables, so I need to put like all my camera batteries because I am going to be vlogging. And then my suitcase is ready to rumble, and that's basically it. I'm gonna wear on the flight tomorrow just a tank top, some Honor Active shorts, and my high top Converse since they're pretty chunky. They're a good plain shoe. But yeah, otherwise we're ready to go. I'm awaiting Caitlin's arrival. I think she's like 30 minutes out. And then we will start the vlog, the travel vlog, tomorrow bright and early for our flight. And hopefully it all fits into one long video, but if not, I'll do 2 little travel vlog videos. I'm super excited. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the little pack with me situation, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Bit more sure, baby, it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because I can see us holding hands.